Today on reviews by me, I shall review a mattress, double bed mattress. It is nice to lay on, nice and comfy, and that's what it is. Focus on it. There we go. Nice bed. Nice. I don't know why it works. I have comfy sheets on it. Nice and soft. Unfortunately, you don't have soft vision, so I can't show you. I can't actually feel you, or you have feeling, or feel. I don't know. Anyways, I shall put this down, and we shall throw a bowling ball on it. Well, I don't have a bowling ball, so I'll just throw my Palm Pilot on it, and we'll see how much it bounces. Ooh, it bounces. How about a ruler? I'll chuck a ruler on my bed and see how much it bounces. Ooh, bouncy. How about a clarinet case? Oh crap! You okay? Yeah. I hope I didn't break my clarinet. It's okay. Uh-oh. Let's see. At least the bed didn't break it. Is it broken? No. It's okay. Ish. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Yes, it's okay. Yeah. Everybody cheer. Woohoo. Woohoo. Ish. Miss. Anyways, that's how comfy my bed is. It's back for nothing. Whee! So long for David's reviews. Goodbye.